Hi guys, in this video we will see how to find, change or remove saved password from your Microsoft Edge browser. If you want to find out, change or remove any saved password in your Microsoft Edge browser, here are the process. Launch Microsoft Edge browser first and here click on three horizontal dot against top right corner. And here go to settings. Thereafter click on three horizontal line against top left corner and here choose passwords and autofill. Here you will find Microsoft Password Manager. Click on it. Password and autofill Microsoft Password Manager. Ask to save passwords and passkeys. Turn this feature toggle button on to enable this feature. To ask to save password and passkeys, and if you want not to ask saved password and passkey, then disable it. Now here you will find all your saved password. If you want to view your saved password, simply click on your here click on your password and unlock your Windows 11 system, and here you will see your account name and password will visible here. Simply click on the icon and you will see your password. If you want to remove it, remove saved password, simply click on delete and your saved password will, selected password will be permanently deleted from your Microsoft account, and your saved password will now successfully deleted from Microsoft Edge browser. That's all.